Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the header so you can edit it directly. Double-click the top margin or go to Insert then Header. You need to see structural marks, so enable Show /Hide Paragraph. That reveals section breaks and manual page breaks which affect headers. While in Header View, check the section type and whether different first page or link to previous is active, because knowing this determines the exact removal method and prevents accidental changes on other sections. Once done, decide whether to unlink headers from prior sections. If link to previous is highlighted, click it to break the connection so you only change the current section. Then remove the header content, or, for the first page only, check different first page and clear that header. If you must remove headers for a range, insert section breaks before and after and repeat unlinking. This isolates changes and preserves headers elsewhere, which is why section management matters for predictable results. To finish, close Header/Footer view and scroll the document to confirm the header is gone where intended. This validates live layout changes. If the header still appears, make sure you removed or unlinked headers in every affected section and that section breaks are placed correctly. Misplaced breaks often cause remnants to persist. As a quick troubleshooting tip, use Print Preview to see final output. Sometimes on-screen view differs, so you catch lingering headers before saving or printing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.